Hi, this is the the fun history and showcase in the Panasonic F405 SB. Yeah, this is the remind this 2006 to 2015. Yeah, this is the Matsushita instant fan. The B series this. But this the X series or this the back in 2015 and then this 2011. Yeah, this 2012. But this the the 2013 version this ability this 2013 another stock 2013. But this the Camel the Panasonic F45 SB this but this B series or 405 series and 455 series this Matsushita. And then but this the straight switch the the national or this new KDK or Panasonic KDK and Panasonic. But this the base the 5 1 2 3 4 5 the 5 in the base. But this Matsushita base this industrial fan. Yeah, this is the in the Philippines. But this the blade. This is the blade. And then this the back grill. This is the Matsushita fan in the Philippines. But this the 405 SB F405 SB released in 2015. But this 2013 the 5 SB this 2013. And then this 2013 in 2013 this 2023. But this 2013 and then 2014 this 2014. But this the switch. The switch this with T letter T and then this the 405 SB. This is the switch. Yeah, this is the switch. But this 2013 this but this 2019 this 2018 this the Matsushita this Matsushita fan the Matsushita the F45LB this Matsushita F45SB. And then this the back here this is the the 2013 Matsushita fan 2013 industrial fan. But this the Matsushita 2013 Matsushita fan 2013 Matsushita fan. But this 2013 Matsushita fan. Yeah, this is the 2015 or 20 but this 2016 the F45LB this but this 2017. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.